Well, folks, it's Philip from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales. We're on board our 53-foot Roberts. It was built in 1996. There's so much to say about this boat that I can't condense it all into 2 minutes. And that's what I try to make my videos be. Great layout on the boat. We're in the pilot house portion. You got helm chair there on the port side with a wood wheel. You have the Furuno upgraded electronic package, a Furuno FCV 58.5. Radar there. There's the big chart plotter as well. That's all new in 2024. That was expensive equipment plus installation, probably ran about $15,000. The boat has B&G network, and it has a B&G network pilot, B&G wind and wind direction, depth sounder as well. Has the ICOM VHF receiver and ICM 125, and also has a unit over here as well. Has a passenger seat. Great space up here in the pilot house. You have a pilot house settee here, so you have great visibility if you want to have meals up here. You have a seagoing berth and the full electrical panel there, and below us is the engine room space, which you can access through the hatches below here, all teak and holly, or you can go through the engine room and the aft stateroom. There's a door back there. So then we go down a couple of steps into the salon area. You have, again, another U-shaped salon. Some of the cushions have been pulled out. You got full fridge freezer section here, deep freezer compartment, fridge, etc. 3-burner propane oven, has a generator, inverter, everything you'd expect. It has Webasto diesel hot water heating in this boat, as well as a Dickinson heater, diesel heater in the middle of the boat. Beautiful woodwork inside the boat. V-berth forward head as well. And on the opposite side, you have the shower compartment. One side shower, one side head, up into the forward stateroom, the guest stateroom in this boat. Lots of room, lots of cupboard space, beautiful woodwork throughout the boat. It's really nicely finished throughout. You walk down the hallway here, let's call it. You have an old Sony TV. Look at that thing. That's awesome. Sony 10-pack CD changer, VHS player. And then you go to the back. It's really it's a pilot house aft cabin style boat. Full headroom. If you're not overly tall, I'm not. Into the aft stateroom, master stateroom. You got a double-sized berth in the back here. Opening ports above your head. Table. You have your master stateroom head with shower compartment and entrance into the engine room compartment through the shower compartment. There's a closing door there. So you can either go through that or above your thing. So Pacific Coast Yacht Sales, we've been at this for 30 years. This is a great boat, washer dryer. Has everything you'd want for offshore sailing and more. It's a beautiful boat in beautiful shape. Been upgraded. You couldn't get a boat like this and have it in this condition for this price point. Not even close. It's ready to go. So we're going to go through the engine room compartment, talk a bit about the engine too in another video. We really appreciate you watching our videos.